Alright guys, good morning from Umahia, Abia State, and today's video we're going to be visiting some sites with the family. I have my sister, my cousin, and my mom on the way. So stay tuned, today's going to be a fun day. So first of all, we're going to my mom's village, Amuzu. It's Amuzu. Amuzu Bakala. Yeah. Signboard. That's the signboard there. So you said Alamiri.
Alamiri, yes, but we have our major street. Are you Alamiri Kanaka?
Yeah, but one more
I track it.
Okay.
Land of water.
Alamiri.
Okay, that makes okay. Alamiri. So land of water. No, yeah, I didn't know. So Alamiri means land of water, and that's where apparently that's where the village stream is too.
Yeah.
In Amuzu. Alamiri is a village in Amuzu.
One of the
major streams.
This church existed in the 1940s originally. Then in 1944, the church was closed down because of poverty. The people could not manage the church. Then, well, what I could call God incidentally, my father came and bought the property, the land from the original owners that gave the land to the church that time. My father bought the property in the 1970s. So somewhere along the line, in the 80s, there was a little problem in the church, in the St. Matthew's Anglican Church at Eziama. Used to be shared or belonged to Amuzu and Eziama, just like we have St. Andrew's Anglican Church and Sukanami. So my father now decided to donate this property. In fact, he said when he was buying that property, and the man told him that a church existed here. So my father just felt that something that God was making him to buy this property for him. So when that problem started in that church in the 1980s, when he came back from his practice in Abia, so he set up a farm. It was kind of an orchard. It had a lot of fruit, cash crops inside the farm. So he decided to donate everything to the church. So that's why we have the church standing here today. So he donated the whole land. Then later on, the church bought some extra land.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
But now it's a church.
It's full-fledged church. St. Cyprian's Anglican Church, okay. Amuzu Bakala.
Okay.
Alright.
Then this other one, the blue bee. There should be after. Then let's go.
Okay, so guys, so basically how the Igbo villages are set up is that there's like a center circle and then all the villages are spread out. I'll put like a picture, let me move. I'll put like a picture here to show you guys because that's what I'm looking for my thesis.
You want to climb the bottom?
Abi to get a view.
The proper center.
Okay, I'm doing this for you guys.
How can you climb? You climb from the side.
Just since there's no drone.
The olden days camera shooting.
What I just showed you, I'm on top of our bus right now. What I just showed you was the village square. My sister was at the center. That's like it's supposed to be a market square, and then all the villages connect. I have to get down from the bus now. Okay.
So this was where they were storing drums. Drums or what? Mommy, come and see.
Masquerade drums, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, drums for their masquerade. I think that's where they used to dress from.
Yeah, when the people are tired, they enter there. They used to cover it with all this palm tree leaves.
That's bamboo, right? No, that's the mouse stick. Oh.
I don't know boss, and I hope we are hanging. No, gully, oh.
Oh, wow.
Gully, serious gully. It's been here over the years. Erosion. Yes.
Is it not eating? Is it not coming to the road?
Yeah. It's coming up.
Yes.
Came here and stayed for some time. After some time, they do some sacrifice. So the river went away.
back.
Wow. Wow.
You the fear, come, I did here. You mother fear.
Yes, oh.
See the.
So let me show you guys where I am. I'm on the platform here, and this is where it is down here. Maybe this would be a thumbnail. So I think we're going to try to get to the stream in Alamiri Amudu. Like I said earlier.
The temperature has changed.
Yeah, it's getting cooler. Actually.
How do they do this thing? Jeez.
And they will go very fast.
Yes.
With barefoot.
With barefoot.
The outside men there, the slippers, they have to carry me down.
We put this in YouTube, so please people will be watching. Hello, this is Africa.
Okay, oh, so when you want to wash and like dry your clothes, this is where they put it. You see? Wow. My mom is strong, guys. I'm telling you. Oh! Let me.
I don't know what they call this. Is this a bridge or a step?
I mean, it's like stairs, though. So who made the stairs? Wow.
Nature made the stairs.
Another people that live, they're part of Amuzu village, but they live up like over the mountain, and they're like these natural stairs. No one knows how long those stairs have been there, but you see how finely molded they are. Nature of Africa.
Okay, it's on.
I don't do bad water.
Yeah.
It's special. I'm among the people, we cut it.
Face backward. Yeah. There, that's
So what do you think so far?
It's
Oh,
amazing.
look at that field.
It's so nice.
Come on, keep up.
What's the next side?
Keep.
Hi guys. You know what I'm talking about, yeah? We're just going.
this was the level of the road before. Right, this is where we are now. So like we're supposed to be here, but erosion and everything has brought it down. And also obviously people have tried to level the ground, but at the end of the day you might just have to leave it as nature.
Yes.
Allow, as we grow, allow the things to grow too.
Exactly.
Because
That's it. I'm sure it had the pattern for
yeah,
how it's meant to be. Eventually through the years.
exactly. Because you see Adam and Eve.
Oh!
Let's move from here quickly. Bye-bye. 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 So, change of pilots so we can get through this. So guys, quick pit stop at my uncle's place to relax for a little before we continue on our journey today. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think about where we are.
That's what somebody was saying, that the problem we have is that we don't have that should I say the culture of finishing things.
Yeah.
That's why the people come and take our raw materials, then go and finish it and come and sell it to us twice the price.
Yeah.
Because if you don't know how to finish something, you won't still get enough value.
True.
The people that make money are the finishers.
Yeah.
You know, that's just the thing. Just like the Bible says that a lazy man catches his game and does not process, he gets rotten.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So I don't know whether to say it's us that made ourselves lazy. Like our crude oil. How come we have crude oil, we don't have any functional refinery? They'll collect our crude oil, buy it at peanuts, then process it and bring it back to us and sell it at very exorbitant price.
Till now.
You know,
Till now.
there's no refinery except this Dangote refinery that's going to start 2020 according to him.
And that's all money to him.
That's all money to him, of course. It's just like cocoa. They'll come and collect our cocoa. We used to have a cocoa plantation in my place here.
And chocolate and sell it back to us as stickers. Yeah.
So this is the first post office. It was the young boys, of which your grandfather was among the few boys that came back from the war, from the Burma war.
Yeah.
And what they saw outside, they decided to put the post office in the community. So that's the post office. Built in the 50s, very late 40s or early 50s.
Yeah.
And then this one used to be the kind of there was a primary school, a central primary school where most of the, I think it was the first primary school in the community, built in the 40s, the 1940s, you know. Then later on they converted it to the Umuahia local government headquarters. Get the signboard.
Okay. Also, that site where you saw is where my mom and my dad met for the first time.
33 years ago.
33 years ago. And now every 24th we have 26th we have medical outreach, sweet fragrance. Sweet fragrance is basically like a music competition, where a gospel music competition where people come and sing and compete for prizes. Different prizes are given, and also there's also a scholarship program after you take an exam and pass as well, where you'll be sponsored to go to school. Yeah, so this is a very special site, so mark the place. So we're back in Amibo village. That's where we are staying. That's my father's village. Ubakala. For the drive and tour.
It's also agent.
Yeah.
You have to pay her.
So you guys comment, like, so I will get money for this video, so I will give it to her.
Okay.
So what did you think, sis?
fun, filled with fear, filled with laughter, joy, exercising, tired. So yeah, it was a test of strength as well. It's a good place actually.
Yeah.
If you had enough time. We were actually free on 27, 28, roughly. We would have actually gone to other places, but it's good we had the chance to actually do it. So yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah, guys, hopefully next time, like Abia, Ada said that
Probably
she wants
drop.
to. Ada said that.
Okay, yes.
So maybe next time we'll do it. But guys, you know, stay tuned to the page. Hopefully I'll be traveling more. But I'm showing you guys my home. This is my hometown. And so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.